Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of automation in ClickFunnels 2.0. Specifically, we're going to be talking about Zapier and how to connect your triggers to individual pages or funnels inside of the platform. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and head over to my screen here, and I'll walk you through all the steps you need to know one at a time. Now, the first thing that we need to take care of here is to make sure that you actually have your account connected to Zapier. And if you already have done this, fantastic. Skip ahead in this video and just go directly to where we're set up triggers. But if you do not have this connection set up, head over here to the team in the bottom left hand side of the screen. From there, hover over the team again and then click on team settings. All right, they'll take you directly to the team dashboard. At this point, click on developer portal, and it's kind of hidden here, but you'll see an option for Zapier integration in this paragraph. Just click on that directly and it will take you to the Zap homepage just like this, or to the connecting point. Right, all you have to do from here is connect ClickFunnels to 6,000 plus apps. Click on that directly, or if you haven't yet created an account, you'll see an option to create one. It's completely free. You don't have to pay for anything here. They do have a paid option, but you don't have to use that for most things. So now if you happen to be logged in already, just click on the button right here and it'll take you into the Zap creation process here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and choose the event of contact identified for this example, but you can choose whatever one suits your fancy. At this point, let's click on continue. Now, if this is your first time using Zapier, make sure to go here and select the actual workspace that you would like to use. In my situation, I'm good to go. It's already connected, and we'll hit continue. And finally, we are now inside of the trigger tab, which is the one that we were looking for the entire time here. This is where we can go in and specify the funnels that you want everything to fire off of and the page, right? So you can be very specific as far as what information is being sent and when things are actually firing off for whatever action you're trying to create here, okay? All you have to do is click in this area. You can search up the name right here or scroll until you find the correct one, right? So if I want to use this one, for example, I could. You can continue going down and actually selecting more funnels if you want to. It doesn't have to be just one. For now, I'm going to leave it just as one funnel there. But we can also choose the specific page inside of that funnel. This is going to actually pull all pages inside of your account. So make sure you have the correct one. Go through, load more if necessary, until you find the right one that you need to use. Now we're going to go on my side. I'm going to go ahead and click on continue, which will take us to the test tab. Basically, this is just going to pull a few records, for example, that have already come through to verify that the correct information is coming through or they're looking at the right area. Just make sure that you select the right one that correlates with what you're trying to collect and hit continue with select a record. At this point, you can go ahead and set the other side of the Zap by searching up the other software or app or whatever it is that you're trying to send information to right here at the very top. And that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you didn't and you have any lingering questions that have gone unanswered, make sure to let us know down below and we'll point you in the right direction. Otherwise, if you haven't already, make sure to go subscribe to our Tech Time newsletter that is sent out every single Monday with different tips, tricks, and guides just like this right to your inbox. With that said, have a fantastic rest of your day and we will talk to you later.